Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Head of Content for Construction News, Zach Garner-Perkis.
Good afternoon, and thank you for joining us. It's strange to be speaking to you via a screen on a Tuesday afternoon to celebrate the 2020 Specialist Awards. But then again, little of this year has been normal. 2020 has been a real test for everyone, but the construction industry and its specialists, as ever, have shown incredible resilience. More than that, you've been inspiring. As this year draws to a close, I think many people are grateful to work in a sector with a positive outlook for the future. Today is all about celebrating the amazing people, projects, and companies in the construction supply chain. It's about putting the spotlight on specialists who do amazing things. In normal circumstances, that would involve a roaring crowd, bright lights, loud music, and a posh dinner. We've tried to bring as much of that razzle-dazzle as we can through your screen, but of course, it will be a different experience. But that doesn't mean that you can't have some fun. In fact, there are some advantages to a virtual event. At a physical awards, you might need to hide how much wine you've been drinking from your boss. Well, this year, if you position your glass in the right place, that isn't a problem, even in the event of a celebratory video call. Want an impromptu 10-minute dance after winning an award? Go ahead. Can't be bothered with all the dressing up. You officially have permission to wear your pajamas. Oh, and this year's event is also pet and child friendly, provided you have either of them and they want to watch too. Just make sure you record any funny moments and share them with us on social media. Everyone deserves an award for making it to the end of this year, but unfortunately we only have 20 prizes to hand out this afternoon. So for those of you that just fell short, all I can say is thank you for doing an incredible job. And please accept the result like they do in American politics, with grace, humility, and trust in the process. Speaking of the process, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our judges, who should appear on your screen now. Thanks to our category sponsors too, which are DRS Bond Management, NASC, NFDC, Red Sky, and Trad Group. And to our partners, the British Drilling Association and the Federation of Piling Specialists. We can't avoid the fact that the coronavirus pandemic has been incredibly hard on some people in construction. There's never been a higher demand on services that support those most in need, provided by organisations like the Lighthouse Club, who are our charity partner today. Here to tell you a little bit more about what the Lighthouse Club is doing and how you can help the charity is its Chief Executive, Bill Hill.
Once again, it's a privilege and a pleasure to be invited to the Construction News Specialist Awards under these interesting circumstances in what has been one of the toughest and most challenging years we have ever encountered. For over 60 years, the Lighthouse Construction Industry Charity has been dedicated to the health and well-being of the construction workforce and their families in the UK and Ireland. The charitable services we deliver are completely free to all our industry workforce and allied trades. However, as a result of the global pandemic and pressures of lockdown, our construction industry helpline is receiving an unprecedented number of calls from construction workers and their families in crisis. Over 50% of the cases we manage are from middle-aged self-employed tradesmen, agency staff, or workers on zero-hour contracts. Many of these workers live from week to week and are often only 1 or maybe 2 paydays away from poverty. They have nowhere else to turn, and they need our help to feed their families. As a charity, we rely heavily on event income to fund our helpline. However, due to the pandemic, our fundraising event programme has been decimated. So at a time when the construction industry needs us most, our ability to support our community is at its lowest ebb. That is why we need your help. But it's not all gloom and doom. We can still have a laugh and make it fun. Like many companies, we have innovated, and we are hoping you will join us in going crackers this Christmas. Simply go to our charity website and buy our Christmas e-cards and distribute to your employees, contractors, suppliers and customers. And inside every Christmas e-card will be a chance to win up to £10,000 in our Lighthouse Christmas Cracker Draw. Everyone entering the draw will be invited to our huge Live at the Lighthouse Club virtual Christmas party on the 18th of December. The show will be packed full of entertainment and it will host the live draw. So don't forget to buy your Lighthouse Christmas crackers and share a bit of festive cheer. Goodness knows, we all need some of that. I know this is a difficult time for everyone, so whether you're in a position to help our funding or not, please ensure you communicate our helpline to your friends and colleagues, or get them to download our free construction industry helpline support app. Our mission is to ensure that no construction worker or their family should be alone in a crisis. Let's not talk about the new norm. Let's talk about the new better for this generation and the next. I hope that we can count on your generosity to make this mission a reality. Thank you.
Thank you, Bill. Please do get involved. Now more than ever, your help is needed. And who doesn't want a chance to win 10K? You can view more information on the Lighthouse Club booth, which is found on the Sponsors and Partners tab of Swapcard. One of the most inspiring things that happened in this country at the height of the pandemic was the construction of the Nightingale hospitals, delivered by the industry in record time. To give us all some insight into this amazing achievement, we now have a talk from Pre-Construction Director for BAM Construct UK, Paul Clementson, who was instrumental in the NHS Nightingale Hospital project for Yorkshire and the Humber.
Welcome to everyone joining online in this new virtual world. I'm delighted to be asked to contribute. It's been a year like no other, but one that has emphasised the vital role specialist subcontractors play within BAM's business and the construction industry. It's great to see that today's award categories span so many of the themes we are seeking to address as an industry: sustainability, digital construction, creating social value, using modern ways of working, promoting our safety, and together delivering high quality buildings. As with so many of the things we have to deliver, we're only as good as our supply chain, and how we work with you is critical to our success. As a company, we talk about one word more than any other: collaboration. For me, there's no better example of this in action than our delivery of two of the UK's Nightingale hospitals. I was closely involved with NHS Nightingale Yorkshire and the Humber. I can honestly say we've never experienced anything like it. The speed we worked at wasn't considered possible when the year began. Now, 6 months on, questions are being asked about why we can't deliver all our schemes this quickly. The role of the supply chain cannot be understated. 27 companies were involved in its delivery, from the likes of BAM Services Engineering and NG Bailey, who did the mechanical, electrical and public health installation, and Breba, who did the bed bay petitions. At times, we even moved from operating under a design and build contract to a build and design. Together, we moved a mountain. The nature of the collaboration went far beyond professional competence into adding social value. It was unbelievable to experience. We were exchanging information on WhatsApp groups to work faster, and local restaurants were supplying us with pizza to keep us going around the clock. The site was set up in a single day with extensive use of digital technologies like drones and BIM 360 to help us work together. You, the supply chain, were fantastic. The commitment and positive atmosphere was tremendous, and like nothing I have seen, in 31 years in this industry. Constructing the Nightingale, Yorkshire and Humber in just 21 days was an incredible achievement. In fact, we're back there now completing changes to the wards to accommodate the latest changes in treatment, and this amazing building will be live for treating COVID patients any day now, helping to save lives. I'd like to personally thank everyone who participated in delivering both schemes. It would not have been possible without your commitment, knowledge and support. If I ask myself what we have learned from our experience of Harrogate and Exeter, I think it is this. Together, we can do amazing things, and we can do them faster than we realised. While what we achieved was not in atypical circumstances, the challenge for the industry is how to capture this excellence and lessons learned and build it into everything we do. One thing that was said to me by the head of estates at Harrogate was, "I understand now why contractors say they want to be involved earlier." But this does just not apply to main contractors. We need the early involvement of specialist contractors too. Your expertise helps us all think differently and work smarter and faster, especially as we see a shift towards a greater focus on the life cycle of buildings, where your insights are crucial. There is a silver lining in my own role right now, a new model of procurement that offers us an industry the chance to permanently change the way we deliver projects. It is called an alliance contract, and it's the first of its type in our part of this industry. The alliance of BAM, CBRE, BDP and Arup and our client Sheffield Hallam University have just started out on this 5-year journey, and it will make the contribution of you, our specialist supply chain, more important than ever. It aims to enable the early involvement that was so critical to the successful delivery seen at Harrogate and many of the other schemes you'll hear about tonight. This is a sign of genuine investment in innovation. Our industry faces a big challenge in such competitive markets with our margins to create this kind of investment, but many other industries do so too. Unlock this and change follows. You have a big role to play. I want to thank you once again for bringing your skills, understanding and problem solving to bear in this most difficult of years, and at a time when many of you have felt the hit economically or within your own workforce. You deserve the recognition. So let me leave you with one non-verbal appreciation from Harrogate, which demonstrates more than words ever could what people thought of the construction industry's achievement there. And this is for you. Good luck to you all tonight.
A very inspiring speech there. Thank you to Paul at BAM Construct UK. Now, it is my pleasure to announce our host of the awards, author and columnist, Ian Moore. Good luck to all our finalists.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here at the Construction News Awards 2020. And following on from what Zach was saying there about this being a virtual event and you can therefore hide the amount you're drinking, of all the construction events I've ever done over the years, that has never really been an issue. Nobody's ever hid that at all. So you just do what you want. I'll tell you about one of the first construction events I actually did, which was many, many years ago. It was the Plasterers and Drywall Contractors Awards. To show you how long ago it was, a guy from Liverpool won an award and moaned about Torres moving from Liverpool to Chelsea. But it was one of my first awards as well, and I noticed there was a slight atmosphere in the room and I didn't understand what was going on. And I spoke to the organiser after the event and I said, "Did you notice that? Was it me or was there something going on there?" And she said, No, it was fine. They were a bit wary because of what happened last year." And I asked what happened last year, and apparently everybody at the Plasterers and Drywall Contractors Awards had been given a goodie bag, and inside the goodie bag was a Stanley knife, and two rival firms had started cutting each other up at the back of the room. So in some ways, virtual events are probably better, I would say. And of course, now we're in our second lockdown, which, you know, is slightly boring, and we have to deal with it. And men of my age, in their 40s, realise that within the next month or so, we're going to have to shave our own ears, which we just have to get used to these things. There's madness in all of this around here. I live in France, and around here, some scientist came up with this method where you could turn unused wine into hand gel sanitizer, and everybody in France just kind of looked at each other and went, "Unused wine? I've never. What the hell is unused wine? There's no unused wine in my house. I'll tell you that much. I've got 2 kids. One's English, one's French. They don't get on, funnily enough. Centuries of enmity between them. We've got a third boy on the way. We're hoping for a Swiss, quite frankly, just so we can stand in the middle of them. But it's been difficult. It's because I don't speak very good French. And I know people say you should be speaking better French than you do after the time you've lived here, but I don't have to. You see, because I've got a 7-year-old who's fluent, and I just take him wherever I go with me, and he translates for me. It's fantastic. He's not even mine, to be perfectly honest with you. I found him over here. There's millions of them if you ever come over. And my English kid, he's bilingual as well, and he just, he goes out of his way to wind me up. We have this thing where one week we'll speak English, next week we'll speak French. And I tried to speak French the other day. I just walked in the front room and went, "Je suis fatigué." I'm tired. "Je suis fatigué." And my eldest son went, "Yes, Daddy, you are fat and gay." And that was, there's no comeback from that. There's nothing you can do about it. So that's where we are. There's many things I like about remote working. There's many things, I don't have to go shopping. I don't have to meet anybody else while going shopping, which has always been a problem for me. People moan about the state of the world. If you want to see the state of the world, just go to your local Primark. That's what the world's become. I was in the Primark in London last time I was working there. I was in there for an hour and a half, just tidying up, to be perfectly honest with you. It was a hellish place. And I was in TK Maxx in Stratford, in East London, which some of you will know from the Olympic Park, of course. And I was in TK Maxx in Stratford, and I tried on these shoes, and I walked round the corner to the shoe mirror, walked back to my shoes, and somebody's trying on my shoes. Now, at least virtual shopping, you never get that kind of hassle. So we're going to have a good time. It's virtual. You can do what you want while you're watching it. Just enjoy yourselves, and good luck to the winners and all the finalists and everybody. So that's the reason we're here this afternoon, the Construction News Specialist Awards 2020. Today we'll be celebrating a total of 89 organisations competing across 20 categories, highlighting the very best specialist contractors in the UK. This year, once again, our finalists were put through their paces with face-to-face interviews in front of our 72 expert industry judges, some time ago now, obviously, when we were allowed to meet. I'll introduce each of our categories, and as I do, you'll see each finalist appear on your screen. This year, we asked our finalists to send in a winner reaction video. So keep an eye out for your video if you send one in. All winners will be given only the briefest information on why they have won, but you can read full details of every winning entry in the Digital Awards supplement that will be available on the homepage of Swapcard once we've announced all our winners today. Now, before we start, joining me this afternoon to announce the winners is the voice of the National Lottery and Strictly Come Dancing, Alan Dedicoat. Alan, are you there?
I am indeed, Ian, and I have to say, it's great to be back working with you again.
Fantastic. So now, let's get on with the show. Our first category tonight is for Health, Safety and Wellbeing Excellence, kindly sponsored by Trad UK. 7 made the shortlist, and they are
Cantillon, Cleveland Bridge, Keltbray Rail Companies, Lucas UK Group, Natter Building Company, NG Bailey, and SES Engineering Services.
And now, here to announce our winner is Group Safety and Quality Assurance Director at Trad UK, Steve Carney.
Hello, my name is Steve Carney from the Trad Group, and we are the proud sponsor of the Health, Safety and Wellbeing Excellence category. This year, the judges said that the winner showed passion and innovative use of IT to analyse trends and improve engagement. They've deliberately tried to think differently about the issues. A huge congratulations goes to this year's winners. Lucas UK Group.
Congratulations to Lucas UK Group. Our second category tonight is Training Excellence, and the contenders are
Briggs and Forrester, E.E. Smith Contracts, Erith Contractors, Natter Building Company, O'Donovan Waste Disposal, SPV Group and Juniper Training, Building Futures, and Trust Management.
To announce the winner in this category from the judging panel is Regional Director of AECOM, Amy Corbell.
Hi, I'm Amy Corbell from AECOM. The winner of this category are clearly committed to training and development of the workforce, and this has improved every aspect of their business. The use of real-life data capture to inform and improve their training has had a positive, measurable impact on safety. Strong personal leadership from the top of this business radiates beyond their organisation. And the winner is O'Donovan Waste Disposal. Congratulations.
Hi everybody, we've won a Construction News Award!
Well done to O'Donovan Waste Disposal. We now move on to Apprentice of the Year. Let's find out who they are.
Stephanie Betts from Trad Scaffolding Company, Chris Braziel from the Deluxe Group, Elliot Butcher from Nationwide Platforms, Darren Gray from Arslef Ground Engineering, Aaron Hyde from Nationwide Platforms, Paul McCart from Nationwide Platforms, Tim Whiting from Woodford Heating and Energy, and Freddie Young from Briggs and Forrester.
To announce our winner, please welcome back Head of Content at Construction News, Zach Garner-Perkis.
The judges felt that this individual has taken on a level of responsibility that far exceeds what would be expected of an apprentice. They make an outstanding contribution to the business, the sector, and their colleagues. And the winner is Aaron Hyde from Nationwide Platforms.
A very strong category. Again, congratulations to Aaron. Our next award is celebrating community engagement, and the shortlist looks like this.
Construction Wise Minds, Erith Contractors, Maybe Hire, Montel Civil Engineering, Munnelly Support Services, Natter Building Company, and VGC Group.
We come to our first high commendation of the evening. Huge congratulations to VGC Group. Now to announce the winner in this category is Editor of Construction News, Lem Bingley.
The judges thought that the winner showed an outstanding example of how the industry can improve its image with young people and capture their enthusiasm in a creative environment. The High Impact programme is low cost, highly scalable, and has shown impressive workforce engagement. And the winner is Maybe Hire.
Brilliant, well done to Maybe Hire. Next up is Digital Construction Excellence, kindly sponsored by Red Sky. The competing companies are
Erith Contractors, Focus Logistics, Kilnbridge, Lucas UK Group, and Metec.
To join me in announcing the winner is Managing Director at Red Sky, Phil Kent.
Hello, I'm Phil Kent, Managing Director at Red Sky. We enable companies to achieve and maintain competitive advantage using our digital technologies. In a year where digital construction excellence has never been more relevant, I'm really pleased to be making the award in this category. The judges said that this winner has proven to be a passionate digital innovator with a range of apps that's created an holistic approach to using new technology in their business. And the winner is Lucas UK Group. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Lucas UK Group for the second time this afternoon. We now move on to our innovation categories of the year. First up, we have Innovation of the Year for non-contractors. Alan, the shortlist, please.
Absolutely, Ian. The shortlist begins with Checked Safe for digital compliance solution. Delta Membrane Systems for flood resilience, resistance and recoverability. eBrick for eBrick. FON for Construction Collaboration Hub. Garrick for Site Welfare Hybrid Tech. Hilti Great Britain for the DSH 600X petrol saw. Polypipe for Mechflow. Reactech for Razor System. Topcon Positioning for GTL 1000. And VisiLean for the integrated lean and BIM processes for modularised construction.
A great shortlist again, but who's the winner? Here to tell us is Head of Content at Construction News, Zach Garner-Perkis.
The winner of this category has clearly sought out and developed a solution that met its customers' needs. A simple product that had a number of really beneficial skills. And the winner is Polypipe for Mechflow.
Well done and congratulations to Polypipe. Now to Innovation of the Year by a contractor. We have 9 finalists. Let's find out who they are.
BT Passive for House for One. Castle Scaffolding for telescopic netting system for scaffolding. Edincare Pumps for launch of Magna Pro chambers. EE Smith Contracts for LDP. Ivor King, the piling people, for Gaiken Super Crush Silent Piling. JLES Group for post-build adoption. McRail Systems for Fatigue 360. Redmond Group for primary control feature. And Volca Laser for fast beam.
To announce our winner, please welcome back Editor of Construction News, Len Bingley.
The judges said that the demonstration of in-depth market knowledge and the problems facing their client helped shape an innovative approach and that they invested in the right areas. The winner is Edincare Pumps for the launch of Magna Pro chambers.
Fantastic. Congratulations to Edincare Pumps. Moving on to our specialism, first we have Equipment Specialist of the Year. Those in the spotlight are
Advante. Bennett's Cranes. Echo Barrier. Garrick. Ground Force. PTSG. And Slipform Engineering.
Some fierce competition here provides us with another high commendation. Congratulations to Garrick. But here to announce our winner is Group Commercial Director at Waits, Simon Potter.
Hello, I'm Simon Potter, Commercial Director for the Waits Group. My fellow judges and I really enjoyed hearing the nominations from some interesting and innovative companies. All the finalists described how they were seeking to drive improved performance in a number of areas, such as the environment, productivity and efficiency. We were really impressed. However, through their use of technology and technical solutions to improve performance, productivity, quality and safety in a complex working environment, the winner this year is Slipform Engineering. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Slipform Engineering. Next up, we have our award for the Demolition Specialist of the Year, which is sponsored by the NFDC. And our shortlist, Alan, is
Cantillon. Central Demolition. Erith Contractors. O'Keefe Demolition. And Sanctus.
We have ourselves another high commendation in this category, with congratulations going to Cantillon. Congratulations to them, but to announce our winner, please welcome to the stage NFDC's President, Holly Price.
Good afternoon. I'm Holly Price, President of the National Federation of Demolition Contractors. The judges said that this entry edged the win due to its impressive employee ownership model that displayed an industry-leading approach. The winner has a clear vision and strategy and an excellent approach to training and promoting the degree course on a wider industry basis. And the winner is Erith Contractors. Congratulations.
Well done to Erith Contractors. And now to the Ground Engineering Specialist of the Year. The 5 who made the shortlist are
Arslef Ground Engineering, Green Piling, Ivor King, The Piling People, McCoy Contractors, and Vibro Menard.
To announce the winner in this category, please welcome Project Director at Far East Consortium, Bruno Almeida Santos.
Hi everyone, I'm Bruno Almeida Santos from Far East Consortium. I'll be presenting the winner of the Ground Engineering category. The winner covered all the bases the judges were looking for, from innovative solutions that minimize costs and environmental impact to great awareness of industry challenges such as diversity, legacy planning, health and safety, as well as a strong and embedded digital mindset. And the winner is Vibro Menard. Congratulations. Thanks everyone.
Congratulations to Vibro Menard. Now, our next award is for Access and Scaffolding Specialist of the Year, which is sponsored by the National Access and Scaffolding Confederation. Our shortlist is
AFI Uplift, Castle Build Scaffolding, LTC Scaffolding, PhD Modular Access Services, QFS Scaffolding, Rose System Scaffolding, and TPA.
Now to reveal the winner, please welcome to the stage the President from the National Access and Scaffolding Confederation, Lynn Way.
Hello, I'm Lynn Way, President of the NESC. The judges said that the winner covered all the judging criteria with their proactive approach in the pre-construction phase, good use of social media to promote mental health initiatives. I'm delighted to announce the winner of the Access and Scaffolding category is PhD Modular Services. Congratulations!
Well done to PhD Modular Access Services. Our next award is for the Off-Site Specialist of the Year, and the 6 that made the shortlist are
Armstrong, Crown House Technologies, GBE, Metec, NG Bailey, and SES Engineering Services.
This category gives us another high commendation. Congratulations go to Metec. But to tell us who the winner is, please welcome from the judging panel, pre-construction lead at Kier, Rebecca Wade.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Wade from Kier Construction, and I'm delighted to be announcing the winner of the Off-Site Specialist category. With really strong submissions from across the industry, the overall winner was one that demonstrated the coming together of digital tools and innovation and the quantifiable benefits that these can bring. Supplemented by some outstanding projects and some great client feedback, I'm really pleased to say that the winner of this award goes to GBE. Congratulations.
Hi, I'm Brian Fitzgerald, the Managing Director of GBE Services London Limited. I'd like to thank you for the award, and I'd like to accept it on behalf of all our staff, subcontractors and supply chain who helped us to have a very successful year in 2019, and it's great to be recognised.
Congratulations to GBE. We now come to the award for MEP Specialist of the Year, and the finalists are, Alan.
Briggs & Forrester, Crown House Technologies, DNS Engineering, GBE, Genlec, HE Sim, Kane Group, Redmond Group, REL Building Services, and SES Engineering Services.
In another highly contested category, we have ourselves another high commendation. Congratulations go to GBE. But to announce the winner, please welcome Head of Content at Construction News, Zach Garner-Purkis.
The winner clearly demonstrated it lived by its company ethos. It was obvious the whole organisation takes pride in all aspects of their work, including the delivery of their projects. And the winner is HE Sim.
Brilliant work done by HE Sim there. Congratulations to them. Now let's find out who's been named our Finishing and Fit Out Specialist of the Year. The contenders in this category are
EE Smith Contracts, Lucas UK Group, Mivan, and Port View.
So, who's the winner? To tell us is Gallagher's CEO, Lance Taylor.
Hi, I'm Lance Taylor, Chief Executive of the Gallagher Group. Very proud to be one of the judges at the Construction News Specialist Awards. We had the pleasure of judging the Finishing and Fit Out Specialists of the Year category. Our winner presented a clear vision for growth and expansion based on their reputation and in-house training. Bringing production in-house enabled them to remove supply chain weaknesses. And focusing on what they are good at, what they do best, is a winning formula. The winner, we're proud to announce, is EE Smith Contracts.
Congratulations to EE Smith Contracts. Next up is the category for FM Specialist of the Year. Alan, the finalists, please.
Amy Defence Services, Waits Property Services, and Woodford Heating and Energy.
To announce the winner in this category, please welcome Editor for Construction News, Len Bingley.
Our judges said a focus on business transformation and digital platforms was impressive and has helped reduce complaints and improve client feedback. And the winner is Amy Defence Services.
Well done to Amy Defence Services. We now have our first project category with the Project of the Year subcontract up to £2 million. The 8 finalists in this category are
Cleveland Bridge for the A14 Bar Hill Junction Twin Bridge installation. David Jameson Roofing Services for Musgrave Marketplace, Ballymun, Dublin. Fitzgerald Contractors for placing biosecurity at the heart of delivery for National Trust Scheme. McAuliffe Group for unlocking the site of Manchester's former Itron gas meter factory for development. Project 7 Construction for the London Hippodrome Theatre. Sanctus for Sharpness Docks, Gloucestershire. Slipform Engineering for the Thames Tideway Secondary Lining, Chambers Wharf. And Woodford Heating and Energy for 250 City Road.
That's a great shortlist. To reveal our winner is Deputy Chief Operating Officer from Mace, Mark Castle.
Good afternoon to you all. I'm delighted to be here. My name is Mark Castle. I'm the Chief Operating Officer at Mace, and I'm here today to announce the winner of the Specialist Project of the Year Award for projects up to £2 million in value. The judges on this occasion were unanimous in their decision. The winners literally blew them away with their pioneering work on this project. There was great insight as to how people, process and technology sat at the very heart of everything they did and achieved a 10 out of 10 outcome for the client. This year's award, I'm delighted to announce, goes to Slipform Engineering Thames Tideway Secondary Lining. Many congratulations.
Well done and congratulations to Slipform Engineering. We now turn our attention to the Project of the Year subcontract £2 to £5 million. Alan, who made the shortlist here?
I can tell you, Ian, there were 4 in all. Cleveland Bridge for the Humber Bridge cable inspections. Metec for Westway Botley. PTSG for providing surgical precision at the Scalpel. And TNT Facades for breathing new life into the Oldway Centre.
In another highly contested category, we have yet another high commendation. Congratulations goes to Cleveland Bridge. But who's the winner? Here to reveal all is Group SHE Director at Costain, Lawrence Webb.
Hello, my name's Lawrence Webb and I'm the Group Safety, Health and Environment Strategy Director for Costain. It was my pleasure to be one of the judges for the Construction News Awards earlier this year, and I'm pleased today to present the winner of the category for Project of the Year by a specialist contractor, subcontract value £2 to £5 million. The winner focused on planning the construction process yielded results that made delivery smooth, but also ensured that there was real continuous improvement throughout. The innovation around redesigning the firm's own davit arm allowed the team to adapt to challenges. So, I'm pleased to announce that the winner is Metec for Westway in Botley. Congratulations.
Congratulations to Metec. Next, we have Project of the Year subcontract over £5 million. Let's see who the finalists are.
Briggs & Forrester for 1 Chamberlain Square. Cantillon for Ilona Rose House. E.E. Smith Contracts for the Project of the Year LDP. Land and Water Services for Campbell Wharf Marina. MPB Structures for the Circle Square Affinity Living Building 5 and 6, Manchester. Prater for the Wimbledon No. 1 Court redevelopment. SES Engineering Services for the Eon Connecting Energies. Volca Laser for the M5 Oldbury Viaduct concrete repairs, refurbishment and waterproofing. And Woodford Heating and Energy for Broadway Chambers.
We have ourselves another high commendation in this category, with congratulations going to MPB Structures. And to announce our winner, please welcome back Head of Content and Construction News, Zach Garner-Perkis.
The judges said this was an outstanding project, built on very strong listening and communication skills that understood the importance of relationships. They demonstrated practical problem solving and how digital innovation can deliver better outcomes for the client, site neighbours and the workforce. And the winner is Cantillon for Ilona Rose House.
Congratulations to Cantillon. We've now reached our penultimate category, which brings us to the Specialist Contractor of the Year with a turnover up to £25 million. Our shortlist looks like this.
Central Demolition. DNS Engineering. JLES Group. McAuliffe Group. Metec. Shufflebottom. Warner Surveys. And Wessex Archaeology.
To announce our winner, please welcome back Editor of Construction News, Lem Bingley.
The judges said that this winner has placed its staff at the heart of its business by making sure that it captures their ideas. This forward-thinking ethos has helped the organisation think outside the box, promoted openness to new ideas, and helped put purpose before profit. And the winner is DNS Engineering.
Excellent. Congratulations to DNS Engineering. We've now arrived at our final award, ladies and gentlemen, which is for the Specialist Contractor of the Year with a turnover of over £25 million and kindly sponsored by DRS Bond Management. Alan, for the final time this afternoon, who are the contenders?
Yes, Ian, the last one of the day. CMS Group, HE Sim, Land and Water Services, McGee, Munnelly Support Services, SES Engineering Services, Volcalaser, and Woodford Heating and Energy.
In another highly contested category, we have our final commendation. Congratulations to Land and Water Services. But to announce our last winner, please welcome from our sponsor, Managing Director at DRS, Chris Davis.
Hello, I'm Chris Davis, the Managing Director of DRS Bond Management. The judges said that this organisation was the clear winner in the category, with a strong company ethos built around people and their personal development. They have a genuine passion and commitment to the sustainable development of the business. The winner of the Specialist Contractor of the Year for turnover over 25 million for 2020 is HE Sim. Many congratulations.
Congratulations once again to HE Sim. Ladies and gentlemen, that brings us to the end of the 2020 Construction News Specialists Awards. Congratulations once again to all our finalists, our high commendation, and of course our winners. And not forgetting a huge thanks to our sponsors and judges. Sadly, there's no bar for me to open, but I'm sure you have your own, and I do hope you've all had a great time celebrating all your achievements this afternoon. Who knows, maybe next year we'll see you in person. We have to be optimistic. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Thank you very much, and goodbye.